Hey guys, it's me, Interstellar 1. Thanksgiving for viewing, y'all. This channel it's our channel, right? So let's build it up and let's grow it, and yeah, hit that like button and support the channel, and give me y'all's feedback on what resonates with you guys. Okay, the more viewers I have, the more people I can pull cards for. That way I can get y'all's energies and we can get this moving. Excuse me, sorry. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I've missed you guys so much. I've missed being on this channel. I've had a lot going on, but here I am. I just do the cards whenever I'm led to do them, and I read for a lot of people, so yeah, that's kind of what I do. So let's get into it. Let's use these cards first. I've already shuffled, but I'm asking all of the ancestors what messages need to come out here tonight. Let's see. Shuffle some more. We've got the moon card. Sorry, I'm a horse or something. What's this moon card all about? I'm really getting like tonight. Okay. Now we've got the devil card out here. Well, what a way to start the reading, right? Let's just keep going. I don't want to speak on it too soon yet. Let's see. What's this? What's going on out here, Spirit? Why these cards first? And now we have the death card out here in the reverse. What in the world? Maybe someone's at a graveyard. I'm seeing that, like a graveyard in the moonlight. Yeah. I don't know. Somebody's going to a graveyard at nighttime. Huh. With another person. What in the world is going on, spirits? What is this? What is it? Ten of Wands. Okay. Somebody's out here working with energies. They're not doing it right. Or they're not. Well, obviously, I mean, the devil card's out here. I'm kind of getting ill intentions. Yeah. For some reason. That's crazy. I'm so sorry to start this reading. I have to start this reading off like this. I don't like negativity at all. And I even said that before I even started doing the reading tonight. I'm like, I hope nothing negative comes out. Hope nothing negative comes out. But here we are. Alright, Spirit, come on. I think it's really, really quiet wherever you're at, whoever this is. What in the world? There's a lot of people there. Or a lot of something there. Hold on a second. Let me get these cards here and say something real quick. The moon again just come out. a lot of energy, heavy. This might have something to do with the Cancerian. You might be near a body of water. Oh, okay. I really don't usually deal with this type of energy. I'm getting some heavy moonlight. Maybe somebody's trying to do moon rituals or something. I'm getting like a Halloween feeling. It's just, what world is going on? I'm getting that a Cancerian is near a body of water. This could be a passed away person. Oh, man. Yeah. This is near a dam or something. Yeah, I'm getting like a dam, like a man-made one, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now here we have the Knight of Swords in the reverse. I'm just gonna put it out of here. What is going on? Okay, I'm kind of getting like, it was all fun and games at first, and then, but now it's not. Like now you're kind of, someone is holding back their horse, you know, or like, I feel like a stalling, like a stall, like, oh, I'm gonna go in there, but no, and then you approach the gate or the door, and it's like, someone is hesitant, yeah. Name is going on. Okay. 7 wands. All the wands out here are in the reverse. Then we've got the 10 of wands, which is the most you can have in the deck. It is right off the bat in the reverse. So that just tells me not a whole lot of thought or effort has been put into what in the world is going on out here. Maybe there was an accident. That's what it was, an accident. But somebody's been trying to say that it was not an accident, an unaliving of someone. I'm sorry to hear that. It's just, yeah. Okay, so there's 2 people out here now. Whenever here lately, I've been getting the Devil card and the Lovers, and here it is. Okay, here's the Lovers card. And this could be past life soulmates. This could be an accident that happened in the water near a dam. A young person passing or something like that before their time. You know, it was something to do with before their time, right? Okay. Yeah. No one really knows the truth yet. Here, I'm gonna keep going with these. And we've got the Hangman underneath the Devil card in the reverse, or the death card in the reverse, sorry, excuse me. Yeah, I'm really getting that this person, this passed away young person, is aware. They're aware of someone who is there for them. Like, maybe someone who really cared about this person keeps going back to where they had passed on at, where the accident happened. And this passed away person wants you to know that they are aware of you coming there, okay? So that's what that looks like to me. Okay? But they're just, they're stuck because they want people to know the truth, and they think that you're the only one that can tell the true story of what happened, and people need to listen to that, to whoever you are, when they tell the story, because it's how it went. No one, I guess. Now I'm kind of getting second thoughts on if this was an accident. Let me just keep going. Okay. Could be. Let's just see. I just heard, I'm okay. Don't come around here. Don't come over here. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Don't come over here. Don't. Yeah. If you feel like a hesitation when you come into the gate of this place, wherever you're at, I don't know, when you go into the gate where this accident happened, you feel hesitant, well, that's this passed away person trying to tell you to just stay away. Wow, what a reading. What a reading. If this resonates for anybody, please let me know. I'm just, goodness gracious. Oh yeah. You can tell it, you can sense it, all of that. Now, I don't know if it's talking about me being able to tell the story or tell the truth, but here we go. I think that, there's the High Priestess. The High Priestess is out here in the reverse. We've got the Ten of Cups out here in the reverse. It's at the bottom of the deck. We got the Ten of Pentacles out here already. Now, I was thinking, maybe this person has been passed on for quite some time. Maybe that's what the Pentacles is talking about. I thought maybe, Pentacles is this realm's stuff, like stuff that we can touch and feel with our hands, physically. The Cups are more so what we feel with, like, intuition and stuff like that. We've got the High Priestess out here in the reverse, underneath the Ten of Pentacles, which is tangible, right? So I'm thinking that this person has the potential probably to be you do, the viewer. If this resonates with you, and you know someone who's passed away near a dam. I'm getting drowned, but I know it's triggering. I have to say what Spirit's leading me to say. This could be talking about me speaking it out right now. The High Priestess are very intuitive. They could very well be the tarot reader. They could very well be a psychic of any sort, whatever. Now, I'm a Cancerian, so I see that clear out here. A Cancerian, yes I do. Okay. We got the moon cards out here twice. There's a lot of water here. This death card has water in it. And it just screams damn to me. Like a water dam. I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, like, something that holds back the water. I don't know. But yeah, so this could be spirits. The Pentacles really could be. I don't know. I don't think so though. Maybe you've caught orbs of this area. You've seen orbs with the camera or something. Whoa. Okay. That's too many cards, but I'm gonna look at them anyways because I'm nosy. Okay. Okay, well, I'm just gonna keep that in the back of my mind. I'm leaning more towards this was an accident. Yes. I don't know completely yet, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna keep pulling these cards until we get to the bottom of it. Okay, because that's what Spirit was leading me to do. I have no intention on this reading being like this. It's just how the cards come out. It is. What is this High Priestess doing in the reverse out here underneath the Ten of Cups or Pentacles? Okay, that's what I want to know. Okay, I think that this is leaning more towards, like, whenever I say I think, okay, I mean to say I'm feeling that. Okay, you can take it as it resonates, please. But this person has a lot of know-how, has a lot of skill on what this person knows, a lot of it. Okay, I think that this person rarely is completely heard. People only get little pieces. There's only little pieces that some people might grasp. Compared to all the whole spew of what this High Priestess person usually talks about. Okay, so if that gives you a clue on who it is. I'm starting to get dizzy and lightheaded. What do you want me to know out here? You're loved, even though, okay, so this is, Spirit really wants you to know, and this could be this young person telling you. They're not gone. They are not gone. We all fell in love. When there's a person that's passed on, that was near and dear to us, who was near and dear to you, you're in love with who they were more so than what you were to their body, right? Obviously, someone is going to be out there and they're going to say, well, I like their body too. Okay, well, without their personality, they're just a body, okay? Without the spirit, just a body. Their spirit is what you fall in love with. The spirit is what you connect with. Those are your cups right there, okay? But it's neither here nor there. Anyway. Stop acting as if this passed on person is gone. No, they are not. If anyone's dead, don't call the person dead. They're not dead. If anyone's dead, it's you. Okay, because you're not using your intuition to connect to the spirit that you had. You have it still. Your passed away friend, or loved one, or whoever it is. Okay, they really want you to know that. They all do. They really do. But this one here, I see it. Okay, yeah. Okay, we got the Page of Cups out here. Oh, okay. I just noticed this Page of Cups here. It's a young person standing beside this water. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get the storyline out here. Poor guy. Okay. I just got an urge to smoke a cigarette, dude. I just got the strong urge to smoke a cigarette. I'm feeling like a family member was present during this young person's accident, okay? Okay, this person's relative did nothing to help. My God. Okay. Remember whenever I first pulled this card right here? This is the Ten of Wands in the reverse. I said they're not doing it right. I said they're not even... I can't remember if I said it, but I know I was about to or something. They're not even trying. Or something. Yeah, I think I said something along those lines. Rewind the video and see what I said there. Because before I even pull the rest of these cards, that's what I said here. This Queen of Wands in the reverse fell out right on top of all this. I'm just keeping that in the back of my mind, okay? Well, I mean, if you want to be technical, here's the Devil card. Here's where this... Goodness gracious. I don't like where this is going. At all. Anyway, I'm going to keep moving forward. If you can't handle the storyline here, what's going on, click off, because I don't know what's liable to come out of my mouth, okay? Anyway, there's the Devil card, the Seven of Wands in the reverse. The Seven of Wands is someone who's at a vantage point to protect themselves, right? But in the reverse, they can't protect themselves. Or they're not trying to. They're not trying to protect nothing. Especially the Devil card here. I mean, I think that this person was obsessed about something here. And I'm getting mother energy. Sorry, but I'm getting mother energy. Sorry, not sorry, whatever. I'm speak however I want, because apparently it's important to somebody, especially this passed on person who's lost his life too soon, at a young age. Okay, so, and the feeling that I'm getting off this card right here is they're just minding their own business. You know, they're just minding this young person's minding their own. Oh God, I can't. Why, Spirit? Why? I'm honored to give this message, but I sure in the world do not like it. And I know this person obviously didn't either. Oh gosh. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yes. Just like I said, this has been quite some time ago, right here. It can be 6 years, 16 years, something like that. I didn't mean to show the bottom of the card, but there it is. It's okay. This is the Judgment card. I don't know what significance that has to do with anything just yet. I'm just still thinking about something else. Just give me a minute, please. This is really rough. Really rough. Rough. I don't even want to say what I was about to, and it's just too gruesome. Okay, I'm going to say it anyway. This passed away person, this young person, they have been forgotten about. They feel like that, okay? They feel like they've been forgotten about because people think that they're gone or dead. No. So he's showing himself. It could be a girl, I don't know. But this, I'm going to say he, because it's a boy looking, it looks like a boy that's on this card, that's all. The only reason I'm saying he. Okay, so it looks like this young boy, he's showing himself to me as with seaweed all over him and just, in the water. And I mean, look, there's a fish in that cup. Okay, I don't know if you all can empathize with that or not. Like I do. Anyway, as opposed to what was in the cups before this happened, okay? If you just feel and remember who this young person was, okay? Remember who this young person was to you, whoever you are, and that will help get the truth. I do see that because I've been told it right now. Okay, let's keep going. You get the truth, you start reminiscing. That's what the Six of Cups card is all about anyway. Reminiscing in the past, okay? Yes, do that. Please do that. You'll be enlightened. And by you being enlightened, you'll start to get downloads from the spirit, from this passed away person here, okay? That's what they're telling me to tell you. I know it to be true anyway. Okay? I do. I've been down my spiritual journey. I know what downloads are. I know all that, right? I mean, if you really want to connect to this passed away person, you're not going to find what you're looking for there. Okay, whatever it is. If you're looking for the truth of something, then you'll see it. You'll see it whenever you start remembering your friend here, or your whoever he is to you. Whoever he is to you, okay? I hope you guys can hear me. I know I'm talking pretty low. Oh, there's a Tower card in the reverse. Okay. What on earth is a Tower card doing out here? I guess it was an unexpected thing, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Somebody was out in the water. Somebody went out in the water to help. Yes, they did. Could have been this Queen of Wands, right? Or they were out in the water. They did go out in the water. They were in the water, yeah. It was dark outside. It went from like a camping trip or something. Normal fun. For that day and age, and for, everything And when the night came, when the night came, okay, did you notice the person that looked like they were drowning in that card? Okay, that's all I wanted you to see for real. And I'm getting agitated. I'm really getting agitated. I'm sorry. I'm trying to give this message the best that I can. I don't know where the agitation is coming from. I really don't know. The moon card's out here twice. Just give me a moment. I'm really getting that no one was, okay, no one was there. No one else was around. No one else was around. I think it might have been about to storm that day or that night. Yeah, they were the only ones there. They, your lover, your friend, someone else. I don't know why I just got the feeling. Man, I just yawned. Okay, so here, this card came out. It's the Three of Pentacles. It landed right here on this tower. At the bottom of the deck, we've got the Three of Cups. Okay, what a coincidence! I was talking about the Pentacles and the Cups. I hate to say that this seems planned to me, but then again, I feel like, yeah. Most definitely planned. This was planned, period. It was planned, it was planned, it was planned, yep. Now, if you come up with something but different than what I'm seeing here, please, by all means, let me know in the comments, because we can work on this together. I would like to. There's someone out there who needed to hear this. There's no reason why we can't stick together on this. What a reading. What a reading. This is what I've been called to do, so I'm doing it, okay? That's what I've been called to do. I mean, if you can, this speaks for itself. This speaks for itself. Plotting and planning, celebrating afterwards. Three people, maybe. Just take it as it resonates. Okay. Give me one more card on this one right here. Jeez Louise. spirits, ancestors, all the highest white light, and wisdom and knowledge and peace and strength, and for the family, for the friends, for the loved ones. May your will be done with love and light. May the will be done with love and light. Here we are, we've got the justice. I'm getting that, I'm yawning again. It's so strange. Maybe you're yawning, which I know it's late. It's late right now, but this is exhausting. Whatever people have gone through in this situation, this whatever happened here long ago, it's gone on and on and on for a long time. And whoever's involved in dealing with this, I can see why you'd be exhausted. If you are, I mean, you probably are. I feel like yawning again. I was just fine when I started. I was ready to go, rock and roll. The justice card's out here. It's all out on the table. It's all out on the table, ain't it? Everything. Everything. I'm hearing it. I'm hearing everything's out on the table now. It's over with. It's over. The facts are out on the table. And everyone can clearly see it. So maybe there are a lot of people. Right? There are a lot of people. I believe there's proof. I believe you're going to find it. I don't know. Maybe what I've said tonight is going to help guide you there too. I don't know. One more card. Just one more. Can't quit yawning. Okay, out came the Emperor. Emperors are wise. They're smart. You know, they know how to manage. They know how to, you know, be organized. They always come up with, I'm getting like a Leo energy too. Anyway, Libra. I'm getting a Libra. Anyway, they always have the best ideas. They, to move forward, to fix things. They walk around. They've been through, they are on Earth Angel status, right? They've been through it. They've earned that title of Emperor. They don't walk around with their chest all out and think, you know, bragging. No, they didn't strive to become an emperor. They did what they were supposed to do. They followed their intuition, you know, so on and so forth, you know, until they got to that level of greatness, you know, where everybody could see it. Take it as it resonates. I don't know why I just said all that. It just came out of my mouth, and that's a little bit, okay. Take it how it resonates. They've got an idea, whoever it is. Whoever this emperor is. It could be the boy, I don't know. It could be you. This young man could have had, that could have been a message that they wanted to give you out here tonight. Okay, what are these? What are those? Yep. Okay. We've got the 9 of Pentacles. We've got the Nine of Wands. And we've got the High Priestess out here again in the upright. I feel like I'm getting a thank you out of this. The Nine of Pentacles is a single energy who is abundant. They're blessed out here in the physical realm. I feel like this sometimes. You see all the spirits? Yeah, we do. I mean, it's not so lonely. No, it's not. It's not so lonely, although I am alone here on this. Sometimes I feel like I am alone on this physical realm. This story is not about me, but I'm getting a thank you. That's all I'm getting. I'm not trying to have a moment out here right now, I guess. But I do appreciate that. I am honored to do this. I'm honored to help. Yes. I don't care who you are, passed on or not. I care. Well, I'm going to go ahead and close the reading. If you enjoyed this video, or I really am not trying to do this for entertainment. I hope you guys know that. But if it resonates with you and I could help, it's my pleasure. I'm Interstellar One. Thanksgiving for viewing.